So I don't know if you can hear me because it's really windy out, but obviously the animals have to feed to get fed and watered. So it's probably about 20 below zero right now with the wind chill. So but we're gonna go ahead and get these guys watered up. Where are we putting the water? Okay. Everything's frozen. They're all in there. Whew. It's nasty. Well, the roof stayed on. And we got like 55-mile-an-hour winds, but it's still pretty good right now. My whole face is frozen already. Keep that there, else that door will keep flapping open. I don't want to get it blowed off. So this is Friday. This is the beginning of this winter storm that's hitting us. It's pretty much the whole country. So, but it's really cold up here. And some guys down south are getting the teens, but right now the ambient temperature is -2, and with the wind chill, like I said, it's almost 20 degrees below zero. So let's get in the barn and get out of the wind.
Come on, you guys stay in here.
Come on, Baxter.
Can't handle it out there. It's too cold. April, stay.
Baxter's first snow. Come on, Baxter. One treat. Come on, one treat. Come on. Baxter. Come on, guys. Come on. Come here, guys. No. All right, well, we're in the barn. Hopefully this footage is doing all right. We bring the ducks in when it's like this, so. But it does blow around my door back here, so I'm gonna have to get something here to help us out. But that's all right. What are you doing, Baxter? What are you doing? The horse is scaring ya, huh? The horse scare ya? Okay, I'm gonna get some things done here, so I'm gonna turn you guys off. Hey guys, it's about a week after the major storm come through. Showed you some footage of it. It was pretty nasty. We had 20, 25 below zero with the wind chill, but it was nasty. But the animals got to eat and drink water, so that was kind of a full-time thing, keeping water out there because it would freeze immediately. But just had 1066 out to push up this manure pile. I haven't had it out of the garage since the day I got it, so thought I'd get it out, work it a little bit, and see how things go with it. Seemed to be okay. I got to get used to it. It's got a weird shuttle shift on it that I got to get used to. But today we are going to take advantage of a little bit warmer weather and try to get the other side of that roof tore off. Shouldn't take me long, hour or two to get it tore off. The hardest part is getting started on it. But we're going to go ahead and get going on that.
Okay.
All right, that's all done. This side was a little harder to get off. The wood's in a little better shape underneath that metal, so the nails were wanting to stay in that wood pretty good, but we got her off. All right guys, I got that side tore off. As you can see, the cameras were acting up today. I don't know if it's just some moisture in the air or what, but next thing up is to get the rakes repaired and the fascia board, just replace all that. Same thing I did on this side. I'm going tomorrow to get the metal and stuff like that. We have a window next weekend that we probably could get the metal on, or maybe later this week if I can get home before dark from work. But other than that guys, I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Wish you guys a happy new year and hope everything goes well for everybody out there. So I'll catch you guys later on the next one.